Rev up your engines! Scotty Kilmer is scamming people, and he's using the internet, Gmail, YouTube. Somebody's got to stop it. It's come to my attention that a bunch of people are pretending to be me, Scotty Kilmer, and saying you've won this or you should invest in that. To begin with, this is my website, the Scotty Kilmer channel on YouTube. All right? And here I am. This is my avatar. And you'll notice it's a picture of me holding a scan tool when I was young and good looking in Houston, Texas, when I was working at CBS News, hence the CBS Channel 11 shirt. And you'll see my name is Scotty Space Kilmer. That is the only real me on YouTube. As you can see here, when we go to videos, we'll go to this video, and you can see there's my avatar. And when questions are asked, we'll go to questions. This is one I actually answered, see? And you'll see, there I am with my little avatar, and next to it says Scotty Space Kilmer. When I answer something, that is me. If somebody responds to you there, and it'll say Scotty blah blah, or anything other than that picture with Scotty Space Kilmer, it's somebody pretending to be me. Now, as soon as I put up a video, there's often people pretending to be me, and of course, whenever I see it, I will go and I'll ban them. They seem to be propagating like cockroaches in Houston, Texas. Ban one, another one pops up. I notice as soon as I put up a video, within minutes, there's often scammers out there pretending to be me, trying to sell you something or saying you won something. I'm here on YouTube to help people with their car problems. I analyze cars. I fix them, show people what to look for. I tell them which cars are good to buy, which cars are bad, which scan tools are good, which are bad, which are the best value for the money, which work on some cars and not on others, which products are killer products, which products are just plain dead in the water and should be killed because they're not worth beans. I don't sell cryptocurrency like some famous sports guys. This guy's pretending he's Scotty Kilmer. He's telling the guy he won at Denali. Now, it says username at Mr. Scotty Kilmer, okay? Be leery of all this nonsense, because I am Scotty Kilmer, and the only thing I am is Scotty Kilmer, my name, and if people send me emails, it's scottykilmer@gmail.com. Okay, I'm the only one on the planet that has scottykilmer@gmail.com, because I got on the internet decades ago, and I was able to use scottykilmer@gmail.com. They told him that he won this. Oh, you won this GMC Denali. He wanted all this information. And he's saying, I don't want you to forfeit this prize, blah, blah. I don't do anything like that. He just came over. He knows me. I've checked his truck out before. And he said, hey, I came over to see, is this you? And I said, no. No, you didn't win this truck from me. I don't do anything like that. And he said, I didn't think it was, but I figured, hey, you're just on the street. So he came over, and I showed him. No, guy's trying to scam him, trying to get his information. I'm not giving away trucks that, oh, well, you only have to pay the tax. I don't do anything like that. Now, if you get emails from people, there are many people pretending to be me with emails. Check my business card out. This is my main email, scottykilmer@gmail.com. It's not like the original Scotty Kilmer, no. It's scottykilmer@gmail.com. I may be the original Scotty Kilmer, but that's not my email. Now, I also have a business email, which is scottykilmer.com@gmail.com. That's a business one, but they all roll into the same one. So if you ever get an email and the actual address is scottykilmer@gmail.com or scottykilmer.com@gmail.com, those are the only real me's out there. Anything else, just ignore it. They're pretending to be me, and they have tried all kinds of scams. And the other day, I had to send an email to an elderly gentleman. His son told me, somebody's pretending to be you, and he's scamming him out of $5,000, some kind of cryptocurrency thing. So I immediately sent him an email. Said, hey, this is Scotty Kilmer. I don't do anything like that. I don't do any of that other nonsense. If anybody's pretending to be me, all you gotta do is email scottykilmer@gmail. You can say, Scotty, is this you? Put it as a title. I get thousands of emails, so going through them all is almost an impossibility. But if it's a big title, you have, Scotty, is this you? Well, guess what? I'm gonna read that one, and if somebody's pretending, I'll respond and say, no, that's not me. Because, like I said, if you get an email, it's either going to be scottykilmer@gmail.com or scottykilmer.com@gmail.com. Those are the only two emails I use when I correspond with people. Then you'll know it's actually me corresponding with you. And of course, if something just looks fishy, hey, odds are it is fishy. People try to scam me all the time. Every time I put up a video, I get scam emails coming in from Nigeria, from God knows where. And I just ignore them because I realize, unfortunately, there's a lot of scumbags on the internet and they're trying to make money doing nothing. And they're out there to rip people off. They're all over the world. You can't stop them. I mean, whenever I see them, I ban them, of course. But I can't ban email. People can email you from anywhere. Make sure it's ScottyKilmer@gmail.com or ScottyKilmer.com@gmail.com in any correspondence if you ever have with me, because that's the only way that I communicate on the internet with people. Now, of course, YouTube itself is exceptionally safe. That's the only way that I will watch people's car problems on videos. Let's say you've got a car problem and you make a video of it. Don't send me a link to a video because I can't open those links. Who knows what people are going to try to attack me with. But put a YouTube video, I'll watch it on YouTube. That's totally safe, right? And the same thing with you. You go to YouTube, watch my videos, nothing's going to happen. But be exceptionally leery about comments that other people put on the videos. Because just like your phone, hey, it rings, you don't recognize the number, don't answer it, right? If it's somebody serious, they can send a text message you can read, or they can leave a message. You're not going to pick it up and start talking to somebody you don't know that's probably trying to pull a scam. And of course, the same thing is true on email. You're just going to open something up from some email? Of course you're not. Now, if the email says it's from ScottyKilmer@gmail.com or ScottyKilmer.com@gmail.com, that is the real me, and I don't pull any kind of baloney on people. But anything else, don't open it. Don't pay any attention to it. Now, here I am in my backyard with my old live free or die sign that I used to have in my old garage, right? And you can see I've got a small flotilla of electric bikes in here, and also inside the garage here. There's a whole bunch more lying around in here because I honestly test out these electric bicycles. I don't get paid advertising for them. People just send me stuff and I try them out honestly. I don't tell you, oh, you've won an electric bicycle if you just pay $50 shipping or whatever. I don't have anything to do with that. I just test the stuff out, then I make honest videos to tell you, hey, here's a good bike, or maybe here's a real piece of crap, or here's what's good about this one, oh, here's what's better about that one. Just honest reviewing. I don't give the things away and tell you got to pay some money for shipping. I don't do that kind of stuff. I have a lot of fun trying these things out so people can have a lot of fun and buy a decent one that isn't going to fall apart. But I'm not in the business of selling them to people or giving them away and saying you got to pay a certain amount of money to get your gift. I don't do that kind of stuff. I just honestly test stuff out. Now, I do also do a live car talk, generally twice a week, unless I'm on vacation or somebody dies, I'm going to a funeral. Thursdays at 1 o'clock in the afternoon, and Saturdays at 10 o'clock in the morning. And yes, that's me doing a live car talk, which is very simple to get to. All you have to do is go to the Scotty Kilmer channel on YouTube. There it is. You click on that. And once it pops up, you'll see there's a list of things. Home, video, shorts, playlist, community, okay? When I'm doing a live car talk, right here it will say live. It doesn't now because I'm not doing one live. But when I am doing one live, you would just click right here, or if you're using your phone, you'd touch here, it would say live. You got the same choice on the phone. Only it would say home videos, it would say live, and when you clicked on the live, you'd go immediately to the live car talk on your phone. And once you're at the live car talk and the live car talk is going, of course, it's very easy to tell it's me because it's not an avatar of me typing questions. It's me like right now, sitting there talking live, answering your questions. So, unless somebody be really good at impersonating me, you'll know it's me answering questions. Some people always say, oh, this is a bunch of baloney. These questions aren't live. And they'll type in, they'll say, Scotty, if this is really live, say it's really live here. And then I'll read, oh, Joey says, hey, Scotty, if this is really live. And they'll know it's actually me doing the live car talk. So just remember, I'm doing it Thursdays at 1 o'clock in the afternoon or Saturdays at 10 o'clock in the morning. When you go to the Scotty Kilmer channel on YouTube, you're at the opening page. It'll say live here, and you just click on the live, and it'll take you there, and you can watch it for half an hour. Now, it is sad but true. People are impersonating me on the internet, but I guess when you have 2,257,000,000 plus views, there is going to be a handful of bad eggs. And in this case, it's more like a basket full of bad eggs. Watch out for people pretending to be me. Because, hey, we're all in this together. Let's make it a better place so people don't get ripped off. They can learn how to fix things if they want to, or they can learn how not to get ripped off if they're paying somebody else to fix their car. You don't want to buy the wrong car. That's half of the deal. It doesn't matter if you know nothing about cars. If you buy, say, a Toyota Corolla, it might last you a long time as long as you just change the oil every 5,000 miles. Hey, there's a lot of things we can share. Just please stay away from the scammers, the people pretending to be me, because I don't do that kind of crap. So if you never want to miss another one of my new car repair videos, remember to ring that bell.